For the best water deals in town, your local needs. Fill up your 18.9 liter for the low price of only $2 or your 4 liter for only 50 cents. Pure Aqua Valley water.
So right before the tournament, actually, we were having some trouble. We lost a couple games, so we really just dug down deep and found the heart of our team, and that's what we really use in this tournament here. So hopefully we can use that going forward and keep winning games.